remembers this crazy game? This is a blast from the past, the early 1980s, the Commodore 64. This is Astro Grover.
Math game. So I'm
Math
adding
game.
5 and 1. Those are zips. What's 5 and 1? 6.
6.
There you go.
This used to be my husband and his brother's Commodore. Look at this thing. And he still has all his original games. Look at that joystick. You don't see that nowadays. Look at that. Crazy. And it still works perfectly fine. How cool.